Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove speech services by Google downloading English update waiting for network connection. So if you are getting error speech services Google downloading English update waiting for network connection, so here I am going to show you how to do that. So first of all, what you have to do is go into your Google. Here you will see Google in your Android mobile. Click on it. So when you click on it, you will see like this. You will see your profile pic here. Click on it and go into settings. So go into settings. Now you are going to update English language. So now you have to go to voice. Now when you go to voice, you will see languages option. Click on languages, or you can click on offline speech recognition. Now click on it, and now you have to English UK and uninstall it, or you can speak this and click on download. So when you download it, it will download it in your mobile. So like this you can fix it. And now second one is disable speech service by Google app. So now I am going to show you how to disable speech services by Google app. So now go into your mobile setting. Now when you go into your mobile setting, you will see apps option. Now click on apps option. Now here you have to find speech services by Google. You will see speech services by Google here. Speech services by Google. So where is it? Speech services by Google here. Now click on it, and now what you have to do is you have to disable it by clicking on here. Click on it and it will disable like this, and click on disable. Now it has been disabled. Now second is solution 3. Number 3 is reinstall speech services. Now you are going to reinstall the speech services in your mobile. So what you have to do is first of all go into your Play Store. Click on the Play Store, and here you have to find speech services by Google. Speech services by Google, and click on enable it and update. From here you can update it. So like this you can update, and you can fix Google speech downloading waiting for network like this. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.